Oped. A video on how to use Pixellab for church flyer design. I am to design a church flyer design with the topic strength in the desert. Now, before I start my design, I need to pick some ideas. What is strength? What is desert? That is why I went online to download these pictures. I'll show you now. These pictures, I will explain why I'm using them. So let's go to the download. Okay. So now I have my first one here. This one. This is desert PNG image. This is a tree symbolizing strength, and this I will use this for sky. So all this will be made available in the description. So let's go back to our Pixellab and start the design. Now input your size for your flyer design. So you input the size by clicking that three dots, click on image size, and input your value 2480 by 3508. That's for A4 size. So now I need to import the images I've downloaded, the PNG icon image of desert. So click on import, click on the desert PNG image we've downloaded. So activate it. Now I may edit it if I want the texture to look a little bit better or increase the quality by adjusting the brightness and the contrast. So can you see? So place it here. Now that same image, you copy it. Once you copy it, this is what you are going to have. Once you copy, this is what you are going to have. So you crop and you click on this part. Once you click on this part, it will flip your image, meaning that you want it to appear in another dimension. Then you click on to back. You see, we form another layer for our design. So you copy again. Once you copy again, you click on crop, and then you click that same place to flip the image and then place it here. Then you take it to the back. So you click on to back. Now you have series of layers of your desert, and then you bring in your tree symbolizing strength. So you click import and then click on tree image that you've downloaded. So we need to adjust the size and place it here. Now if you look at it, it looks static. It doesn't look realistic, as if the tree is growing successfully in the desert. So we need to bring our layer in between these layers. Can you see? So the tree will come in between the two other layers, and then if you activate, you see that it has started growing. Once you adjust that image, you can also edit it using your color filters by adjusting the brightness, the contrast. It appears better like that, and then you can continue with your design. Now we need to import our sky. So let's import it. Okay, let's just use one of these blue patches for our sky. We can use anything. Just make sure that it becomes realistic. We are making our background better like that. Not just downloading images from anywhere and then putting it up and putting yourself in trouble. No, we need to edit it, put it together by editing them one after the other. Take it to the back. Can you see? But we need to edit it a bit. Color filters again. So brightness and contrast. So adjust it until you have something you want. Now this is it. So we'll not waste much time. Now let's start importing other things. Let's bring this down a bit. A bit adjustments. So once you adjust all of that, let's bring in the text, the image, the icons, the logos. So now I will be using one of this logo. Let's pin them down because all of these things are layers. So we need to lock all the layers so that our hand will not be touching it. So import your logo. I'll be picking one of these. Okay, let me use this one. I like this one. So now I'll remove the background, erase the color, erase it. Okay, so now you can change the color and it won't affect. Oh, see, it's still doing anyhow. Just let's continue with our design. That's not the major thing for today. So now this is the icon or the logo for the church we are designing for. So let's call it Glorious Chapel. Glorious Chapel. Okay, now that we've make it, or you change the color of your text, you go to fonts, you select your font. I'll be using Montserrat. My fonts, I'll be using Montserrat here. Okay, let me use Montserrat semi bold. Yes, this is it. So you reduce the size of your text, bring it here. So adjust the size, the line spacing in between the text, something like this. So now you can use your relative position or your position to adjust it based on what you want. Okay, now the main editing of this thing is not the logo and all of that, but let us just go straight to what we are doing. So now the major text. Okay, let me, before I go to the major text, because I know that is the major editing you want to see. So I will write the address, the date, and all of that. So let me write the address, the date, and the time. Sunday, 8:00, which is 8 a.m. July 7th. Okay, the address ABC All, comma, Empire Estate. Okay, now that you've written all the details, so we bring it here. Now we have our text font. You click on text font, you add your Montserrat semi bold. So now place it here and go to relative position, then balance it to the center, and then you can now adjust. So that one is okay like that. Now the major test is the strength in the desert. Now let's start. I'll click on this, I'll write strength in capital letter in. Now bring it here, stretch it and adjust the size. Now here we need to bring, okay, let's edit it first. So you go to perspective, adjust the perspective based on what you want. Now go to font, click on my font. Let's use something bold. Okay, let me use Alinsa font. So place it here. Now I need to take, okay, let me edit it a bit more. Now here, to make it reflect as if it is lying flat on that desert soil, so you need to go to opacity, reduce the opacity a bit, something like 85. Once you increase or reduce the opacity, then go to these layers, bring it in between the desert. Okay, it will be before the second one. Can you see? So this one is here already, so place it here, shift it up a bit, copy that same text. We don't need to edit it again, just put it here and then edit it. Once you edit it, write desert. Okay, so increase the size of the desert, and then you go to perspective. Once you get to perspective, you can also adjust based on what you really want. Activate it, reduce the size if you want. So let's adjust it using our relative position to the middle. Can you see? So let's adjust the opacity of this opacity. Increase that one a bit. So my perspective will still be adjusted. Or let me use 3D rotate. I want to make it look flat a bit. 3D rotate. Okay, something like this. So now let me bring it to the back of this one too. So once you create that, adjust it, we need to make it lie behind our desert also. So we go to one of the deserts and then we copy it. Once you copy it, you place it on it like this, and then you move all your other text to the front, 8 a.m., all of that. So you just balance it to the middle the way you want it to be. Let's increase the size. So you place it here. Okay, let me flip it, and then place it here. Yeah, so something like this is cool. It's cool. Just balance it a bit. increase the size if need be. So now something like this. So I hope you get the drift now. Something like this is cool. So our tree can also be adjusted. Then we give it final touching, giving it some light rays and all of that. So let me import the light rays. The tree needs to be adjusted. So bring it down a bit. Okay, something like this is cool. So this light ray, we need to adjust it until we have what we want. So I'll be taking it behind the tree. I'll take it behind the tree. Then I'll copy it again, place it in front. Now I'll crop the halfway off and then something like this. The opacity will be reduced to avoid too much of depth. So now it's adjusted. You can copy it again. This one, it needs your creativity. You just need to be creative with that. Copy it, crop the upper part, place it somewhere here, just to balance everything you need to do. So I use my relative position there. So if you want to add more information, you can add maybe the name, the title, the theme of the program. Maybe it's monthly meeting. You can just put that one at this part here. So something simple, something simple. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more editing tips, designs that are out of this world. So please drop a comment if you have any question. If I'm too fast or you need to clarify some things, you can just drop a comment and then I'll respond to you in